How to adjust the cover image of a post or reel on the Instagram grid. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're showing you how to easily adjust the cover image of your posts and reels on your Instagram profile using the new feature called Adjust Preview. This feature allows you to choose exactly how your post will appear on your profile, making your grid look clean, modern, and eye-catching. Let's go step by step. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Then find the post whose cover image you want to change. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select the Adjust Preview option. To adjust the size of your photo, press the Fill button at the bottom of the screen. If you've reduced the photo, you can change the background color by clicking the Background button. Currently, only two options are available: black and white. If you want to use a specific part of the photo for the cover, click Fill again and manually select the desired area. Once you're happy with the preview, save the changes by tapping the check mark in the top right corner. The cover image has now been successfully updated. The process is the same for reels. Open the desired reel, tap the three dots, and select Adjust Preview. Manually select the frame you want as the cover, and tap the check mark to save the change, and that's it. Now you know how to adjust the cover images for your posts and reels on your Instagram profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon in the next tutorial.